Cheers.
Cheers.
Today we want to share a quick success story about one of our clients and how they regained their confidence with their balance and walking.
She told us something we hear often, and that is that she was afraid of losing her balance. When your balance starts to decline, you do naturally limit what you do. You lose your confidence, your ability to move around. So unfortunately, that avoidance of walking can make it worse. So your balance degrades with lack of activity.
Yeah, she didn't want to go out with her friends anymore. She wasn't going out to the restaurants. She wasn't going shopping. Even just trying to go to the grocery store made her nervous because she had that fear of potentially falling in the store or just trying to get into the grocery store. That like Mike said, that's something that we hear all of the time. I think I might fall. I'm afraid I might fall, or I have fallen and I never want to fall again. So when balance starts to decline, people naturally begin to limit their activities. They take smaller steps and do other things in order to stop moving.
So in this particular case, and many other cases with balance, we worked on a strengthening program for the muscles of what we call the lower quadrants, the lumbar spine, the hips, the legs, and the ankles, so that there was greater strength when a loss of balance occurred. And then we worked on the reactions, the balance reactions, especially when turning or changing directions of steps. Working on the reaction times is very important to help somebody regain their balance.
Right. And even working on her stability, working on the proprioception of her ankles and her feet and the rest of her body, just how her brain reacts to different changes in the environment.
Right.
So after several weeks of training, it was outstanding. She was so excited because she started going back out to restaurants with her friends, wasn't afraid to go into the grocery store.
And she wasn't afraid to move around in tight spots, which is commonly seen also, is that when people are confined and they have to make short, unsteady steps, they really feel unbalanced. But she noticed a tremendous improvement in that.
Yeah. So if you have any questions about your balance or have any concerns, contact us. We'd love to hear from you. Cheers and thanks for watching.
Cheers.